Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2016 Mazda 6. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.